Tribeca, right next to the narrow, but I'll be hood forever. I'm in with Sinatra, and since I made it here, I can make it anywhere. Yeah, they love me everywhere. I used to come in Harlem, go up my Dominican, right there up on Broadway. Pull me back to that time, took me to my smash spot, 560 State Street. Catch me in the kitchen like a Simmons with BK Street. Cruising out Main Street, all
like my house.
Driving so slow with BK is from Texas. Me and my best stop, home of that boy Biggie. Now I live on Billboard, and I put my boys with me. Say what up in tie top, still sipping my top. Sitting courtside, Knicks and Nets, give me hot pop.
What are you two bitches talking about?
About how I'm really pale right now.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are.
I don't want to be white.
Do you have like, you should eat in like a tanning bed right now.
Fuck you, you little Asian fuck.
Hey, sweetness. Who's that? That's my seed.
Yeah, don't you see the slanted eyes?
Huh?
What's up? We got Goldberg here, man. Original Goldberg, WWF right here. Chicken? Chicken? You want chicken?
Yeah, that was good. Yes, I do.
Damn it, Dan! God!
Darren's a faggot.
Let me hold your dick for you.
That's just uncalled for.
This is Meg in the wintertime.
Fuck you guys!
Will we continue when we see you the next time in the summertime?
Yeah, I'm hibernating.